Hello and assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Mocha Dishes. Today we will be making steak. The ingredients you're going to use are 1 tablespoon of curry powder, powdered cumin, and 1/3 cup of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, garlic, cilantro, half a cup of cornstarch, 1 lemon, and 3 pounds of steak. You're going to start by cutting your steak into different sections. It really depends on how big or small you like the pieces to be. This is the average size that I use. I then just pour my juiced lemon on top. Then I add my soy sauce, my powdered cumin and curry powder, and also my cornstarch. Here I'm adding my minced garlic and cilantro. And here I'm just adding 1/3 cup of water just to be able to mix it easier. Here I'm just letting it marinate for a few hours. You could also leave it overnight. Now I'm just frying it from medium to high heat. I let it sit for 5 to 8 minutes or until it's crispy, and then I flip. And here I'm just letting it rest on a paper towel so all the oil can drain. And there you have it. I hope you've enjoyed this video.
Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely make a thumbs up, like, subscribe. I'm sick today. Bye.